Hi, I'm Zoltan, and I just want to give you a short update about the ZolarBoda. That's my solar bike, which you see here. So I went from Berlin to Potsdam today with the bike, and yeah, works great. I have, I think, currently more than 1,000 kilometers with it, so 1,150 kilometers. And like a newest addition is this oversized mudguard. So probably I can still cut a bit off here. So it's basically an old used political campaign advertisement. Yeah, but so the thing was that I had very good rain protection from above and from the front with this cover that you can attach here. But always when I rode through puddles, my feet got wet because of the front wheel. And with this new solution, they stay dry. So yeah, small improvement, but I like it very much. And also, actually, we are in a garden here, and actually we cooked today again with a ZolarBoda. So with a solar panel, it's charging the e-bike battery, and then I had it connected through this cable to this 20 volt small rice cooker, where you can cook basically anything with it, and you can also like directly connect it to the 36 volt or even 48 volt e-bike battery, because it has a self-regulating heating element. Yeah, and so I cooked today like pasta or lasagna, which worked quite well. It's quite tasty. Yeah, that's it. Till next time. Bye.